Hello, just wanted to let everybody know how amazing Solar Tech was yesterday when I had a big issue with my EV wall charger, and at least I thought it was a big issue, and turns out David and another gentleman showed up within 20 minutes after calling and got it resolved very quickly. So I was very appreciative, and I would recommend them, highly recommend them to anyone. They've done a tremendous job with the install initially through SunPower, and very pleased with everything Solar Tech does. Thank you very much. Take care.